We might be running low on gas. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Check engine light.
What's up guys, it's Blake, and today you're going to be watching me test drive my 1988 Ford Bronco II for the very first time. This was a super long video, so I cut it down to a pretty short length, put all the key moments in there that were really exciting. You get to see me get super excited about this truck when I drive it, because it's the very first time in like 8 years that this truck has actually ran. Now, like you saw with the first clip there was an issue I had with the truck, and I don't know the issue yet, but in the future video, in the next couple days, we'll find out what that issue is. The truck stalled on me when I was driving it, so a super scary moment, because the steering wheel locks up on you and you like have to force it to go in the right direction while it's still driving. I do have a bunch of other videos on this truck. There's a whole series of me digging it out of the ground, getting it running, getting it to go into gear because the gears didn't work. It didn't run at all, sitting for 8 years on the ground. If that sounds exciting to you, definitely check out my channel. I have a playlist for the Bronco restoration. If you're new to this channel, this part is specific to you. Of all the new viewers that watch my videos, only about 3% of you are subscribed, and it's really kicking us in the butt. I've had this channel for 6 years. I've done a bunch of how-to videos, and we are trying to reach a lot more people and help solve a lot more problems, but the problem is I don't have enough subscribers to grow enough. So I really need your help. Press that subscribe button if you found this video entertaining, and check out the other videos I have if you found those helpful. Definitely consider giving a like and commenting what you liked about those videos so we can drive engagement and get this channel running. Now, without further ado, let's get right into this video. Alright, hopefully this footage goes well. I'm doing this in pretty hot weather. It's like 90 something degrees out. Just see how it goes. Gonna do a little test drive. The GoPro might die, but we'll see what happens.
And I'm hoping it goes through all the gears properly. Guess we'll see. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my God. I love this truck. I'm glad I remembered that. Those were torqued to like 50. It's so hot. Oh my God, it's so hot. So far, so good. We're going 25 miles per hour for the first time in I don't know how long. That's 3. That speedometer is really shaking. Oh, no way. The horn works. That's crazy. Holy crap. Okay, I'm gonna try to turn the radio on. we're not going to take it on any, like, you know, roads with people because we don't have insurance. But I figured if a cop pulls us over, we'll just tell him what we're doing. We should be fine. This is so cool. This truck is so dope. Alright, I'm gonna stop for a second and try to figure out this radio, because it'd be cool if we have some tunes. I'm really hoping that it doesn't copyright me for playing these. Oh my god, that's so cool. This is the ultimate. There we go. We'll turn it off. It is a little loud. I did not consider that. We might be running low on gas. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Check engine light. Alright. Hold up.